Hi, friends. So, one more chapter from the same book, Greatness Guide. I really like the message from this chapter, the lay claim to greatness. It says, blame or claim. That's the choice each of us has to make each day. So, either you can blame or claim. Blame what's not working, or claim the gift in the seemingly negative situation. The world needs more heroes. And heroes spend their day hunting for the best. They see the best amidst adversity. They see the best in others. They dig for the best in themselves. They claim their greatness. And in doing so, they get the best lives. It's never too late to become the person you have always dreamed of being. An extraordinary life is not something only available for chosen few, people with perfect teeth or royal pedigree. You and I are destined for greatness. So he says anybody can be great. We are meant to live spectacular lives. That's hardwired into our DNA, but we need to do our part to make it happen. So it is within us to the live life of greatness, but we need to work on that. Choice by choice, step by step. Small gains eventually yield giant results. Life truly does want us to win. We only need to do our part. So lay the claim to your greatness. Drive a stake into the ground to mark your place under the sun. Stop being a prisoner of your past and become the architect of your future. I will read this again. Stop being a prisoner of your past and become the architect of your future. And remember, it's never too late to become the person you have always dreamed of being. Wonderfully written. So, everybody has certain dreams. We want to become something in life, achieve certain things in life. So, he says it's always possible provided you play your part and stop thinking about whatever has happened in the past. I think this is a great, great lesson. So, that's it from me. Thank you so much.